welcome to Spicy Roy's Grill Cooking Show. By the way, happy Valentine's Day. Alright, ice cream. But I challenge myself and my time to challenge you. So you have to make this recipe, alright? It's really good. So over here I have frosted flakes, corn flakes over here. I have a little egg wash over here. I tip a teaspoon of vanilla in it, so you don't even really say it's kind of hide the egg. And here's my vanilla ice cream. And I make a little cake batter from coconut. I don't have to give you the recipe for this. You can make your own cake batter, or you could buy a cake mix and do the 3 egg and the water, cooking oil and stuff, and make a little batter. Don't stress yourself out. So I put the cornflakes in here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and puree the cornflake, get it pounded out a little more. So let's do this. Okay. So now, when you see everything what I'm doing, so this is my frosted flakes. I pound it out. Not too much. You want it still, you don't want it pound it out too much. Alright. So now what I'm gonna do, I am gonna get a scoop of ice cream. The vanilla ice cream right here. I got my 4-ounce scoop. And I want a full scoop. You want it to be really frozen, So now I'm gonna roll it out into a ball. Getting really messy here. And I'm gonna cover it with the cereal. So now I'm covering it with the cereal right here. So after I cover it with the cereal, you can see how I cover it. Then now, I'm gonna drop it into the cake batter, what I make. I told you that I make a coconut cake batter. Then now, it's layers, okay? So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put it back into the cornflakes. You want to pound it. You're packing it. So I keep packing it. If you notice what I keep doing. Okay, I think it's packing off. So right now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it in the freezer for overnight. So make it really hard as a rock. And then after that now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take it out from the freezer, and then you will see what I'm gonna do. So stay tuned, watch it what I'm gonna do. Okay, so this one was in the freezer overnight. So now let's do this. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pack it again, right? So I have my egg wash here. So I'm gonna dip it. And then I'm gonna lay it again one more time. I think I'm gonna put it in the cake butter again. Then layer it with some more cornflakes. Let's see if this cooking oil is at 350, because you want your cooking oil to be at 350 Fahrenheit. So let's see. Perfect. Alright. So you want to do this thing for at least 2 minutes. Look how pretty is that. Look how pretty. It's your fried ice cream. Everything better with chocolate. So I'm gonna add a little chocolate topping on it. Actually caramel. Caramel chocolate. Can't go wrong with that. Look how pretty that is now. And that's your fried ice cream. So thank you so much for watching, and please like, please share, please comment.